Hello dear students, welcome to Partnership Accounts. Today we'll see another very big problem. So where we can work out trading account, profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account, partners account and balance sheet. Together all we can open it. So as usual, the problem is given on the screenshot. You can just note down or you take a screenshot. I'll explain this problem, then after that we'll work out it. Okay, so now if you see the problem, so the problem is here. First what you need to do is trial balance. You have to be very careful. Where does it comes? First we'll discuss about trial balance. So trial balance, debit side, it is given opening stock, trading account debit side, interest on bank loan, P&L account debit, purchases trading account, wages trading account, salaries P&L account, selling and distribution expenses, rent, rates and taxes, printing and stationery, bad debts, all these things are P&L account debit side. Cash at bank, balance sheet asset, debtors also balance sheet asset, buildings, goodwill, furniture, all these things are assets in the balance sheet. Postage is debit side of P&L account. Freight, trading account debit side because it's a direct expenses. Drawings, capital accounts debit side you'll write. Now credit side, what is given? Sales, trading account credit side. Loan from bank, balance sheet liability. Creditors also balance sheet liability. Provision for bad debts, P&L account credit side will write. Return outwards means purchase returns will deduct from the purchases. And discount received, P&L account credit side. Capitals, these are the opening balances in the capital account. Now adjustments, if you see, stock, closing stock is 13,000. This two times here, credit side and balance sheet asset, you know this. Wages due, there is an adjustment, so near to the wages we'll put a tick mark. And taxes paid in advance means prepaid taxes. Provide bad debts at the rate 6% per annum, 6% on debtors. Provide for bad debts. Provision for bad debts already 1500 is there in the trial balance. And here once again saying trial balance 1500 is provision to meet the bad debts, but actually 6% is the loss. We provided already 1500. Okay, this we need to calculate. And interest on capital, interest on drawings, Ramesh is allowed to salary. These three things are capital account, it comes. Capital accounts of the partners. Depreciation on buildings 3000, write off goodwill 2000, furniture 800. These are all depreciations we know. Okay, so we'll start the problem. Already I have drawn trading and profit and loss account and appropriation account. First we'll take opening stock. To opening stock, it is 12,000. And purchases, search the purchase returns are there on the credit side, so we'll write purchases inner column. Two purchases 36,000 minus returns, purchase returns 2,500. Five minus 3, 33,500. And closing stock. Closing stock will be always in the adjustments. Adjustments first one 13,000. Sorry, before closing stock we'll write first sales. Sales are on the credit side. See the sales returns on the debit side. No sales returns. Okay, so we can write directly sales. Sales 1,19,000 and closing stock from the adjustments 13,000. Next, if you see the other items of the trial balance, each and every item will post it. First one, opening stock, already we have taken. Interest on bank loan, this is expenses, P&L account will take. Okay, I'll keep some space here up to here. Here I'll start interest on loan. How much it is? 2000. Next, purchases over wages. There is an adjustment for wages, so we'll write the wages in the inner column. Trading account 13,000. What is that adjustment? Wages due means outstanding wages 1,000. Outstanding, add 1,000. So 14,000. Wages are over. Next, salaries. Here it comes indirect expenses, it is salaries 15,000. Next, selling and distribution expenses 4,000. Selling and distribution expenses. After that, rent, rates and taxes. There is an adjustment. So we'll write rent, rates and taxes. Inner column 5,000. What is that adjustment? Taxes, rent, rates and taxes together. It is taxes paid in advance. We don't want advances here. Prepaid it is. Minus prepaid. How much it is paid? 500. If you deduct it, we'll get 4,500. So this is over rent, rates and taxes. Next, printing and stationery 3,000. So this is printing and stationery. Next one, bad debts 1,500. After that, cash at bank. It's balance sheet. It comes. Debtors, goodwill, building, furniture. All these things are balance sheet asset. Postage 1,000. Postage 1,000. Freight already we have taken over there. Sorry, freight we didn't take. No? So freight is the direct expenses. Freight is 2,000. Drawings comes in the capital account. And the credit side, if you see, sales are over. Loan from bank, balance sheet liability. Creditors also balance sheet liability. Provision for bad debts. This we need to see. Already provision for bad debts, it is given 1,500. 1,500 we kept a provision. Out of that, how much is the loss? Loss is given in the adjustments. Provide for bad debts, debit. Provide for bad debts at the rate of 6% on debtors. Debtors are how much? 38,000. Into 6%. 380 into 6. 2,280. This is loss, which is given in the adjustment. Actually provided 1,500 out of provided 1,500, but we have a loss of 2,280. Loss is more. And this is less. When loss is more, difference comes on the debit side. If suppose loss is less, loss is say 1,000 rupees, we kept a provision of 1,500. From 1,500, we could have recovered 1,000 and the balance amount 500 we would have written on the credit side. But here loss is more. When loss is more, the difference comes here. Provision for bad debts. So I am writing here 2,280 minus 1,500. Difference only will take. So 2,280 minus 1,500. It comes 780. This 2,280 we are going to take once again in the balance sheet, deduct from the debtors. 2 times. One time is here we have taken, another time balance sheet deduct from the debtors. Okay. So this is about the bad debts, provision for bad debts. Bad debts we did not touch. It's as it is. Where it is? Yeah, 1500 as it is. We didn't touch it. Outwards already we have taken discount received. It comes here by discount. Discount received 5000. Next, capital accounts, when we open, we'll see. Coming to the adjustments, stock, closing stock will be here, and also balance sheet liability. Wages due, we have taken 1000. Taxes paid in advance, that also we have taken. Taxes paid in advance, yes, this one only. Next, provision for bad debts, 6%, this is here, already taken. Interest on capital, appropriation account, it comes on the debit side. To interest on capital. %. Capitals are 30, 30. Ramesh and Suresh. Ramesh and Suresh. 35,000 into 8%. 2,800 this is. And next one is 25,000. 25,000 into 8%. 2,000 it is. So interest on capital is over. Next, what else is there? Interest on drawings 6%. Drawings are last item in the trial balance. On drawings it is 6%. Interest on drawings always credit side. Will give a gap because net profit something we are going to get by interest on drawings. Ramesh and Suresh. How much it is? Interest on drawing 6%. 5,000 into 6%. 300 for Ramesh. And for Suresh, 6%. 180. It comes 180, right? Let me check it out. 3,000 into 6%. Yeah, 180. So interest on drawings are over. Next, Ramesh is allowed a salary of 7,000. Only for Ramesh. Salary to Ramesh. How much it is? 7,000. Next, depreciation on building, goodwill and furniture. It comes here. Depreciation on building, it is 3,000. Depreciation on furniture, it is 800. And return of goodwill 2,000. That's all. We have written everything. And also we'll open the Ramesh and Suresh. First we'll close all these accounts, then we'll see. $1,19,000 plus 13,000. 1,32,000 this is. 1,32,000 minus 12,000 minus 33,500 minus 14 plus 2 means 16,000. 70,500. So this is gross profit. Transfer to the credit side, gross profit. Gross profit we got 70,500 by GP. Credit side we have only 5,000, so 75,500. 75,500 minus 17,000 will take here. 17,000, 8,500, 5,500, 780, 3,800 means 5,800 we can take. We are getting 37,920. 37,920. This is net profit. So this will transfer to the profit and loss appropriation account. 37,920 by net profit $37,920 plus 480, 38,400. 38,400 minus 4,800 minus 7,000. It is 26,600. 26,600. In which ratio they are sharing? We'll see. According to that, we'll divide to profit, or you can say profit and loss profit transferred to Ramesh and Suresh. So which ratio they are sharing, we'll see the problem. Ramesh and profit ratio is 1:3. So 1:3 ratio. One is to 3 means 1/4, 3/4. 26,600 divided by 4. It is 6,650. And 26,600 into 3/4, 19,950. So this is the profit. Now accounts, their personal accounts. We'll start this account with first balances. Ramesh balance is here 35,000 by balance brought down. And Suresh is 25,000. Next, from debit to credit, credit to debit. First we'll hear before drawing interest on drawings, first we'll write drawings. Drawings and interest on drawings. Drawings amount is here, Ramesh 5,000 and 3,000. Interest on drawings is 300, 180. Next, interest on capital, debit to credit by interest on capital, 2,800 and 2,000. Salary to Ramesh, 7,000. No salary to Suresh. Next, profit will transfer it. We'll say profit and loss appropriation account. Means this is profit, 6,650 and 19,950. We'll use the calculator now. $35,000 plus 2,800, 7,000, 6,650, 51,450. 51,450 minus 5,300. It is 46,150. This is balance carried on. And in the same way, Suresh, 25,000, 2,000, 19,950, 46,950. 46,950 minus 3,180, 43,770. These two are the assets. Now we'll see the balance sheet. Balance sheet, where is the duster? I'll rub this part, preparation of balance sheet. I'm writing simply, you have to write the pro forma clearly. Balance sheet of so and so as on liabilities, amount, rupees, liabilities, amount, assets, amount, like pro forma you have to write, okay? Now for the balance sheet, first we'll start with the cash. Where is the cash in the debit side? Cash at bank, middle it is given 6,500. After that we'll see whatever is there. First capital also, always you know that this you have to take it into the balance sheet liability side. Capital will write, otherwise Ramesh and Suresh. Capital of Ramesh is 46,150. And in the same way Suresh, 43,770. See the balance sheet. For the balance sheet trial balance, we'll see opening stock is over, interest on bank loan over, and purchases, wages, salaries, selling and distribution expenses, rates and taxes, printing and stationery, bad debts, cash at bank, just now we took, and debtors. There is an adjustment for debtors, so I'll write it in the inner column. Debtors, it is 38,000 minus provision for bad debts. We have already calculated 2,250, sorry 2,280. We'll see calculations later. After debtors, buildings. For buildings also there is a depreciation. Buildings amount is here 50,000 minus depreciation on buildings 3,000, 47,000. After buildings, goodwill 20,000 minus written off. How much is to be written off? 2,000. So it is 18,000. After goodwill, furniture 8,000 minus depreciation on furniture 800. So 7,200. Over postage, freight, drawings also over. Credit side, if you see sales, loan from bank, it's here. Loan from bank 12,000. Creditors 25,000. Next, provision for bad debts already over, written outwards over, discount received over. Capital amounts also we have written from there. Coming to the adjustments. Adjustments, first one is closing stock here and here, both the sides. Next, wages due means payable, outstanding wages, liability. Outstanding wages 1,000. Next, taxes paid in advance, prepaid taxes, asset it is. Prepaid tax is 500. Provision for bad debts, it's already deducted. Next, interest on drawings, it's taken here. And also appropriation account. Allowed salary of Ramesh is over, everything is over. I think we can close the account. For closing the account, first we didn't do this. 38,000 minus 2,280. 35,720. We'll total up everything. 35,720 plus 6,500, 47,000, 18,000, 7,200, 13,500, 1,27,920. The same should be on the liability side also. 46,150, 43,770, 12,000 plus 13,000, 25,000, 1,27,920. Yes. Tally. Happy? Simple. If you want, you can note down. Take a screenshot or note down. Simple. You must know exactly where to write. Step by step. Don't worry. Read the problem slowly and start writing as I've started preparing. Same method you follow it. If the problem is not tallying, somewhere something is gone wrong. Calculations, check it out. Posting, check it out. Everything 2 times, 3 times. But at the end of the exam, spend the rest of the time to fight with this problem. Rest of the problems, complete it, keep it as incomplete and work out it. That's all. And in the coming classes, we'll see admission of partner and how do we calculate sharing ratio, sacrificing ratio, all these things we are going to see. Stay connected. Please see the description box or playlist. There are many subjects already covered. Check it out and use it. Okay. So take care. Good luck.